Have you ever pondered the differences between Python and Java? Think of them as the Batman and Superman of the coding world, each boasting their own unique superpowers and quirks. Picture Python as Batman, the dynamic and sleek superhero known for his quick thinking and adaptability. Python's dynamic typing and neat, concise syntax makes it the champion of rapid prototyping and experimentation. It's the favored choice for web development, data science, machine learning, and automation. However, just as Batman has his share of challenges, so does Python. Its interpreted nature can cause it to lag behind when compared to its counterpart, Java, which is a compiled language. Now, imagine Java as Superman, the powerhouse of performance and reliability. Java might not be as streamlined and straightforward as Python, but it's a force to be reckoned with when it comes to enterprise-level web applications, mobile development, and big data projects. These two coding superheroes have contrasting approaches to concurrency and parallelism. Python's global interpreter lock, or GIL, can restrict performance and scalability of multi-threaded applications, somewhat like Batman's dependence on his gadgets. Java, akin to Superman's inherent abilities, embraces multi-threading natively, showing its strength on multi-core processors and distributed systems. In terms of coding philosophy, Python believes in there should be one, and preferably only one, obvious way to do it, promoting clarity and consistency. Java, on the other hand, lives by write once, run anywhere, striving to be platform independent and compatible with various operating systems and devices. So, you may ask, which one should you choose on your coding journey? Well, that depends entirely on your personal preferences, use case, and career goals. Python's simplicity and versatility might give it an edge among beginners and professionals. However, Java's speed, efficiency, and stability keep it firmly in the game. The choice is yours, young coder. Remember, in the world of programming, both Python and Java have their unique strengths. Like Batman and Superman, they're both here to save the day. Enjoy the journey, and may your code always compile successfully.